So I've had this flight to Florida for a while. I didn't really want to go here, but here we are, Florida road trip. So yeah, let's hit the roads.
Didn't even get your name when you walked on by.
So in September, hurricane destroyed lots of the houses. It's crazy, such beautiful houses. There are piles of gravel and rubbish and stuff and wood and so like everywhere. And every single house's like ground floor is being reconstructed because it was just flushed away. I reached my first campsite for tonight. Love it, had a shower, gonna cook dinner now. There do not feed alligator signs here everywhere, but I haven't seen one yet. I don't know much about alligators. The good news is I cooked myself some delicious dinner. The bad news is there are mosquitoes everywhere. Die! Yes! And all the mosquitoes are dead now. I hope. Good morning. Hey, stop eating my car, dude. This guy loves the color of my car. Alright, let's go. This is so stunning. Oh, I'm in love. Damn. Okay, where are the alligators? Everglades, here we are. There's the panther sign. Huh. Okay, this is getting exciting. That is terrifying. That is terrifying. Let's find more alligators. What the hell? You can just walk around here. Hey, buddy. Dude. You are huge, man. This is so cool. Wherever you look, there's like turtles, fish, birds, alligators. Something is floating, swimming. Insanely beautiful. Wow. And welcome to tonight's campsite. Oh yeah. Is he cooking something? Good morning. It rained most of the night. There's like a little orange bird. I want one. Oh, he's so cute. Good morning. You're so pretty. The Everglades are actually a lot bigger than I thought. I'm here right now. Like so many lookout points and little camps and a few visitor centers. Did I mention that the stars were mind-blowing last night? You mustn't forget to look up when you're out here. I was stargazing through the window until I fell asleep.
Baby alligator!
alligators only have a 2% chance of becoming an adult. They get eaten by everybody. But the daddy is the one that has the most riding on it. Alligators will only mate with alligators, and crocodiles will only mate with crocodiles. This is how very different and unique they are.
It's real fun and real fast, and there's another alligator right here. I think he's sleeping, huh? Right there. Crazy, crazy. So you can just walk here for hours, days, or weeks and say hi to thousands and thousands of alligators. There's like a baby alligator. It's so cute. Hey guy! Oh, there are a few of them. They're so sweet. And it turns out the big one just is a few meters further. Freaky. It feels really strange to go for a walk and just have alligators everywhere. I'm walking in the middle of the road, but here's another one. Just chilling. I feel like they're actually a lot more peaceful than what movies have made them out to be. At least I hope so. And another one. Ugh. Biscuit time, and I have no idea how long to go to the next campsite. Look at this beautiful morning light. Oh, apparently they have bears here, because there's signs everywhere in the bathroom. I don't want to leave the Everglades. This might be the worst day to drive to Key West ever. And it's sunny again. Let's hope it stays like that. How can the water be so blue? Like how? This is way cooler than I expected. Like, it's impressive. Wow. These houses just have the most incredible beach views. I love this. I guess that's the old bridge. That's what happens when humans have gone. It's time for an ocean swim. A successful little ocean dip, and moving on. After my ocean dip, I drove to Key West, where I had a delicious lobster pizza and saw the southernmost point of continental US. Now I'm at a beautiful campsite right at the sea. It is crazy windy, like crazy windy. I'm not gonna party in Key West tonight, but lie here, read my book, and listen to the wind. Check the palm trees. It's crazy. It's just sand everywhere. Leaving the Keys, driving back to the Everglades. The weather is a bit unstable and you can't really plan any activities. There's like a sea turtle rehabilitation center here.
A surgery, but you can't just go through a turtle shell to do surgery. See where even the color of the skin is coming back. It's got that little orangey brown.
Boat strikes causes them to have like a bubble butt syndrome, so they can't dive anymore because air collects underneath their shell, and shark bites. They also get tumors and all kinds of other... It's incredible what they're doing here. The work is really, really amazing. And it's good that people visit because it supports them. So cute. 1.5 hours to go. Okay, ready for the beach. Camera's gonna stay here. Sorry guys. Guys. Come on, get out the way. They're like chilling here drying themselves or something. Now I understand what the sign means that said vultures love to eat the rubber from your car. It is really, really vast. Come on. 1.5 hours to Miami, where I'm gonna get food because I left my propane bottle behind. I don't think Miami is for me, it's too many big things everywhere. So I just drove into a parking house that said 6.8 feet. The van is 6.7 feet, so I just drove in. And my antenna's like touching the ceiling. But hey, I'm inside. Gosh, I love these ocean vibes. I could sit here the whole day. It's so nice. Okay. Oh my word, this is so freaky. Who is this? Anyways, we made it out and now we're gonna go buy some propane gas. The bridge system like freaks me out. It's so weird. Now I'm in traffic jam. So impressions of Miami so far. I liked it actually. It's cool. They've got a beautiful beach and there are crazy people running around. People like to dress up here and, I don't know, get lost in Nirvana. Also, they definitely speak more Spanish than English here. And they believe that the US and Cuba are like the center of the world. So yeah, good. It's been good. A new bottle to cook. Won't be hungry tonight. But English is not a spoken language in this store. Only Spanish. I think I asked 3 or 4 people for help to find this. And they were like, sorry, no English. I like you, US. Whatever you're going to make happen in life, whatever you look forward to, make sure that in the meantime, you enjoy the hell out of life. Like, there's so much to see. There's so many amazing places. And like, life's too short. Don't wait for anyone, don't wait for nothing, like, just go for it, honestly. That's all.